Hello, in this video we'll be going over how to install the official Cobblemon Modpack for Forge using the CurseForge launcher. Please note that Forge is the mod loader, the thing that loads your mods into the game itself, whereas CurseForge is the mod organizer? It's the tool that allows you to add mods to your game. So, CurseForge doesn't do anything in order to actually get the mods running inside the game. It just downloads them for you and provides a wrapper around that. And Forge itself is the thing that runs the mods inside the game or clicks them into the game. To get started in this, we will either click the Browse or Browse Modpacks. They both bring you to the same place, the Modpacks list. Make sure it says Modpacks up here, and up top inside the search bar, go ahead and type in Cobblemon. Inside of here, scroll down until you find Cobblemon Official Modpack Forge. Go ahead and click the Install button and let her rip. Once that's complete, you can either click the Play button to the right over here, or you can head back to the My Modpacks tab, which is what you'll see when you initially open up CurseForge, and click the Play button when you hover over the card. I've set my CurseForge to automatically run through the launcher itself, so you might wind up, if you don't have that setting enabled, you might see the Minecraft launcher. In that case, go ahead and hit the play button in that as well. Once Minecraft is done loading, you'll probably see this, because Zero's updates pretty often, but you don't have to worry about that. You can take the version that's distributed with the pack and just click Don't Show Again for these updates. Inside of here, we'll go ahead and click on Single Player, and we'll see that Cobbled Farms is distributed with the official Cobblemon mod pack, or we can create a new world. In this case, I'm going to fire up the Cobbled Farms, because it's a cool map. Once the world's done loading, you'll find yourself, well, right now we find ourselves in front of the Archaeology Museum, I believe this is. And we can read the books, go explore. I'm going to go ahead and select my starter of Bulbasaur, and shucks no shiny this time. But there you have it. Thanks for watching.